Hi everyone, I'm Gabriella, Head of Education here at Glam Seamless, and today I'm going to be showing you our Glam Band. It's 180 grams of hair, so it comes on a weft just like this with a wire. You can adjust your size, and it's just super full, super thick, super luxurious, and the easiest way to apply extensions. What I like to do is first size it to my head by placing it on, seeing where it fits best. And right under this part of my head is where it seems to be sitting, and I don't need to adjust it. But if it's too big or too small, you can use these little tabs and you just move them over and you can adjust it to your hair. You can take one of our Glam Seamless combs or your fingers, whatever's going to get you the cleanest line, and just section out a top circle around your head, clip it out of the way, and then take the Glam Band and just put it right on top. Make sure it's comfortable. We also have clips that if you want just a little bit more security, you can Velcro the clips right onto the band.